was the most important thing, right? All right.
Push him with that back. There you go. There you go. Did he get his limit?
No. No, I didn't do that yet.
So what? Look. I'm gonna act the fool. He told me to do it.
That's how you get YouTube hits, man. You gotta act a fool. That's how people watch the video. I say, yo, man, this is too crazy.
Controversy in trouble. I got to call out Robert Garcia. He younger than me, I can do that. Older than me, he ain't younger than me. Younger boy. Hey Tamir, I'm gonna call Robert Garcia a young boy on the internet. Yeah. You know, right, my young boy.
I mean, you is the best trainer, though. Nobody mess with you. You the underdog.
Yeah, I'm the underdog. People already know me, though. They don't know I'm the original trainer of Mighty Mike Garnachis. They don't know that. A lot of people don't know that. You know what I'm saying? I don't say nothing. That's because I keep my mouth closed.
He's about to fight against you.
Yeah, he is about to fight. Yeah. Right. Oh, is that today? Yeah.
What you're saying is, if you still training Mike, he wouldn't be fighting Lou.
And his record wouldn't look the way it looked. When I was training, he was still like. Then he took him to AC with Billy Johnson.
What was it?
I ain't about to say no name. Why you say that? No, about Mighty Mike.
You the best trainer, you man. Shot. You the box back. Everybody mad.
They told me Dante was going to be a pro. What's wrong with him? Who is this
They
trainer?
put him in that
How y'all
pro.
going to turn him pro? He ain't no amateur fight.
They put him in that pro.
This trainer must be crazy. Look at him there. You know my son did a little cash flow. Oh damn, I'm calling out names. My fault.
Oh, you're calling him.
I feel bad for cash flow.
My bad. Shout out to the Mayweather gentleman. Little cash flow, Robert.
That look was crazy. I put his head.
Now how old is my baby? 8? 8? Okay, 11. My son ain't got no fights.
But he got to fight. He don't have no fight, but he got to fight.
Yeah. Definitely got to fight in
You
it.
see them abs in that ball?
I like that. That was 2, right?
Yeah, okay.
Somebody can give me a half a round.
Sounds of the mad scientist in the background.
That's that alter ego speak. Sure.
And these some trainers talk about you don't got no experience and all this other
As
stuff.
long as I'm on the camera with him, I'm good. Everybody knows him. Like my Twitter about to blow up. He sent my Twitter. Look, I had like 4 people following me on Twitter. 4. I think I got like 200 now. I'm happy. Like with 200, I'm happy because of him. Overnight, I became an overnight success. My Facebook crazy because of Dante Selby.
All the fact checks.
Nobody knew me.
Shout out to all the fact checks.
If you love too.
Shout out to all the fact checks.
You're
I found out I don't like fat chicks until you get her pregnant.
My bad. My bad.
Shot. Off that shot, step over.
Too much.
He not loaded up. Let it go.
So we put on house money in that case, right? I'm supposed to be an opponent from the church. We ain't never believe that, but that's the expert believe, right?
We the opponents that get us. I
Hope
want to
so.
stay the opponent.
I like that.
What was that one name? The second one that you went for?
At this range, the point is paid for.
Nasty Tamir and all that.
Being an opponent, you don't want to definitely stay the opponent. Call every fight we upset. Always we to the top.
Knockouts coming to them.
They said Rigondeaux was no there.
Really?
That was an upset. That's what the media say.
Maybe a certain person behind the camera took it. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, switch bags.
Like,
Give me
bag's thanking me right now. Should be hitting me more. To me, it did.